Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working with Chinalacewig. You guys know I love this company so much. They sent over this three-toned, three-color ombre lace wig. You guys can see it's extra beautiful. Today we're not going to be starting from scratch. I actually filmed this video like 3 months ago and lost the footage. So we're going to be revamping a wig that has been installed once before. Pretty simple. The wig comes pretty much already pre-styled with pretty much a pre-parting and pre-curled. I went ahead and plucked and tweezed it off camera once before. Now here I am just making sure everything at the top or crown of the head looks amazing. I kind of fixed up that parting, used a little bit of mousse and my flat iron as well as my electric hot comb to flatten out and straighten out everything around the crown, around the parting and all of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and lightly straighten out the ends so that they're not bone straight, but they're prepared to do my little pretty wand curls. And then I'm going to do a little slight bit of a baby hair. At first I kind of went ahead and swooped it one way. That wasn't really what I was going for, so I swooped it the opposite way, and to me this looked the best. Now from here I'm going to go ahead and wand curl. I did start the wand curls off camera, and as you guys can see they came out gorgeous. The wand curler I'm going to be using today is one that comes from another company that sent it to me. It actually has burnt me more than I really would like, and it does not sit on the countertop too well. It literally falls off the way it's shaped. So I will not be reviewing this one for you, but I definitely recommend the ones from Babyliss and you know, Hot Tools. Pretty much anyone you can get your hand on pretty much works really good. I have one that's a holy grail from Amazon, and I'll have that one linked down below. That one gets really hot and it makes my curls super perfect. So of course, you know, I'll have that one linked down below. Now for the curls we're going to do today, I'm going to take nice small to medium sections. I'm not necessarily making them too perfect, and I'm just going to wrap each piece around the wand away from my face. I'm going to hold it there for maybe about 15 seconds to pretty much lock in that curl, and then just let it drop. I did use my serum. Which serum did I use? See, this is where I burnt my hand, and literally I have like the worst burn. I'll show you guys in the next video the update on the burn, but it burnt me like really bad. But as you guys can see, I'm letting each curl sit on the curler for about 15 seconds, and that works amazing. If you're new or a beginner to curls, I honestly would say that if you want amazing curls and you're not good with a curling iron, opt for a wand curler. Wand curlers make you look like you are professional at curls. I have tried curling iron so many times, and I can never get my curls this tight, this amazing, and last as long as these curls last with a curling iron. Unless I do like pin curls or something like that, but just if you just want quick and easy curls, but you still want them to come out amazing and defined, opt for a wand curler. Now as far as the specs on this hair, as I mentioned, this is a 3-color ombre. It is 22 inches in length and 180% density. It did come from Chinalacewig. You guys know I work with this company pretty often, and I'm always pleased. As far as the ombre goes, I absolutely love the colors that they did on this wig. It's very dark at the top. It is a nice, you know, like a nice warm brown in the middle, and also a nice golden warm blonde at the bottom. All of the colors pretty much marry together so that it's not some crazy off the wall 613 blonde or some unnatural, you know, dark root. It just, everything marries very well. And as you guys can see, the curls came out amazing. Feel free to go ahead and add layers to the front. That way you'll get that nice feather when it comes to your curls. Also, I use a powder in the parting. I did not bleach the knots on this wig, but the powder pretty much did the job as far as making sure that everything looks amazing. Once you add your powder, you just kind of want to buff it out, blend it out with your brush as well as your fingers to make it look nice and smooth. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are enjoying the content on my channel. I'm opting for 30 videos in 30 days, and so far we're on track. So I'm tired, but I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the videos. Also here I am kind of crimping the hair to kind of make a little bit of a swoop in the front to kind of, you know, just make it look cute. Even though the curl is going the opposite way, I just wanted to like make it bump or crimp to go in my face, and that pretty much worked out well. Learning how to do hair is all about a finesse. Practice makes perfect, so don't feel like, you know, you're not doing well, if you're still a beginner, trust and believe you'll get the hang of it pretty soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I used my new Soft Focus finishing powder from Black Radiance, and it seemed to work out okay. I also bought this one here, and this is also Black Radiance. It's a contour palette. I was trying to replace the bronzer, or what is it, the contour powder that I used in a few recent videos, because you guys know it's shattered. But the Target I went to in Manhattan Beach did not have it. They only had this, and they had this in like 3 different shades. I got the darkest one. I kind of wasn't sure if to go with the darkest one or the medium, because the medium had one in there that kind of looked closer to my skin tone. I feel like this is too dark, but let's see. Or maybe not. Yeah, it's gonna literally like fill in the hair. So if you have like bald spots in your hair, I feel like this one would be good with like a tinier brush than this. This is like a pointy like eyeliner brush. You can like go in, like for example, if you have sparse little bald spots, you can kind of take this one and kind of like bloop bloop, because it's darker. Now y'all, this is my second time recording this video. I recorded this video January, found out I was pregnant, went through morning sickness and kind of took a break. All the while I had all of the footage for this video on a memory card. Somewhere in that break I absolutely completely lost the entire memory card, and yeah, so we're here. So this is like a 3-toned lace wig. Absolutely love it. It's definitely something different. So the specs on this one are that 22 inches, 180% density, and the color is 3 tones, but it's T 1B 427, and pretty much what that means is this is a 1B here. This rich chocolate honey brown, like honey golden brown, is a 4. Yeah, and then the blonde at the very end is a 27. I kind of feel like this was done pretty tasteful, because sometimes you get a wig like this, especially for it to be so long, and by the time you get to the end it's super 613 and the colors don't marry and complement. I feel like with this one, when you look at it on camera and in person, this and this and this complement. There's no random super white, super blonde pieces, or you know, the color itself is actually gradient and not just like choppy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.